Hi, everyone. I wanted to go over how you can set up or how you should set up your folders when getting or before getting into VS Code. We are going to be starting to translate our code, Figma to code. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we'll need is actually a folder that will house our website. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to just go ahead and right click new folder. Any way you make a new folder on your computer, please find a destination for it. I'm just doing it on my desktop because it's easier to see. But again, if you are on a PC, you just need to know the destination of where this is going to be. So I'm going to just put it on my thing. And what I'm going to do is label this my last name, first name, and then website. All right. So let's go ahead and see if this will work. So I'm gonna get in there, and this is going to be where all of my files will live. Let me just change the view. Maybe I can make it as icons. Yeah. So this is where everything in my website will kind of go. Any HTML files that I save, any images I will save, that's what I'll put into here. And just to be proactive, I'm going to make another folder, and I'll go ahead and call that images. If you want to have a separate images file, like inside your images, like for icons or whatever way you want to change it. So say, for instance, like there's images, and maybe within the image folder, I have icons. Or maybe I want to have my icons folder, again, go back a step, in the main area. So again, this is about organization. It just depends. You don't even need an icons folder. You can just put them all in images. This is going to be helpful eventually when you take a look at the tutorial. So I'm going to move this to trash real quick. And then I only have my images here. So again, if you want to create a new folder, you want to make sure it's labeled as your website. Here is going to be where all of the HTML files, JavaScript, CSS files will be housed. And then here's my little images folder. Again, if you need to make another folder for your videos or anything else that's extracurricular, you'd go ahead and create that within this folder hierarchy. So that's it. That's just to start. The next video will go into more detail on how you'll use this.